Oh, we're live? Ew, awkward. Um, disregard the first 13 seconds of this video, or else I'll have to flash you thingy like on Men in Black. All right, what's up, guys? I've been nothing but in the lab here making videos. Apologize for my very comfortable and tired expressions. But yeah, once again, just reading a lot of books, got a lot of new fire information coming your way. And so we're going to bring it to you guys. Once again, more remedies, more as your pathfinder on this Admiralty jurisdiction of water, maritime. We're bringing you guys, once again, more good stuff. All right, so a lot of you guys are out there still using the legal name. You're signing things with the legal name. You're still doing legal stuff. You're still playing with dead entities, okay? So remember, your nom de guerre, which is Latin for your name, your war name, that legal name, when you accept it and you use it, is their property. You are the authorized agent of it, if you will. So when you use that name, that is the slave name. That's why people tell you change your name or whatever else. So what they mean is you don't necessarily have to, be like, my name is, Shecky Shabazz. All right. You don't have to change your complete name. So that's why some people will go by Bay or L. I use Lord. Whatever you want to, Sir, Miss, Master, Lady of, whatever. But the whole thing is that using that two-part name, that is the legal fiction. Okay? It is a business trust, if you will. It is for using for commerce, and it's also somewhat private until you expose it more into their world. It is their gift to you that you are using. But when you accept the slave name, just like Kunta Kinte and Toby. What's your name, boy? Kunta Kinte. Ah! Nope, my name is Toby. Well, if you accept the Toby name, then you are the slave. You are the 14th Amendment U.S. citizen. You've accepted merging into being the legal fiction, which is the 14th Amendment U.S. citizen, which is their property, chattel, cannon fodder. Okay? Remember, that 14th Amendment U.S. citizen is actually the name on that birth certificate. It is that title. When they ask you to prove your U.S. citizenship, what do they tell you to get? Your social and your birth certificate, right? It's pretty much all you got. Well, you could create your own, but anyway. But so that is your title. Like a ship has a title, your house has a title, you have a title. They make money on all these titles. So what you need to do, which is the main purpose of this video, is change your name. Not only that, create your own identification, okay? There is no law that says you can't create your own identification. Matter of fact, look at the library, look at the health club, look at the whatever else. What do these other places say? Well, we need additional identification. You have anything else with your picture on it, okay? Which is one of the reasons why not only do we sell on blackside32.com your paper affidavit of identification that you go and get notarized, all right? And that's also a good place to change your name from this is my current name to this is my given name, which would be James Cash of the family Lovett, of the nation Lovett. That's what you want to be signing, okay? Or autographing. You don't want to sign anything with your legal name unless you're trying to divert the liability to that particular entity. Remember, this is all education and entertainment purposes only. But you guys need to get your own ID made online and start carrying that on your person. A lot of people have the passport card, which is good, but remember, that is an assumed name. And so if you have the book, there's a way of remedying that. You have to use the two proper codes in the special endorsement section. If you have the card, you obviously can't do that. But here's the thing with the card. When they run the card, if you've done it correctly, well, it puts you on the do not detain list. But if they ask for another identifying piece of material or more identification, then you should have your own homemade or purchased through the internet ID. And all you got to do is type on here. Let's do it while we're sitting here, right? Okay. So I'm gonna bang that. YouTube. Create a something like that. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so create your own ID cards online in minutes. Okay, so let's just see here. Just gonna click the first results. So that's all it is. So for me, I would put in there, like I said, my given name on there. If they let you sign it or upload a picture, sign it. Otherwise, put in the details when you're making your own ID. Your UCC 1-308. Put in a fee schedule in case you're dealing with enforcement of the law type, and you'd say like $900 for every 5 minutes or 10 minutes past, whatever. Put in your code for your status, UCC or USC, 8 USC 1101 22B, that you are a national on there. Create your own ID. Remember, all of this is based off of your declarations, guys. So, and this didn't go anywhere. All right, here. So. Okay, so this particular site, not that I'm getting sponsored for it or anything whatsoever, is under easybadges.com. Okay, so you can get pricing, and essentially it looks like all right. Looks like they might also be selling the machine. I can tell you right now, the average machine you're looking at about $1,100 for a decent one for a double sided. So either way, it would be good to get the barcode creator online. You can get that done for free. Put in your information on there. Whatever you want to put in that scannable information is up to you. I personally would have mine probably say like Nation of Levitica, National of Levitica, something like that. And I wouldn't put necessarily my address on there, especially not with the zip code, because a lot of times they like to try to use your address against you. Okay, and plus you don't have to have an address. But the reason why they want to see that is because then they can say that you're domiciled within their jurisdiction by use of the 2-digit abbreviation, and especially the zip code. So I personally wouldn't put that on there, but I would put other pertinent information on there. Like I said, you're reserving all of your rights, UCC 1-308. Have a scannable section on there on the back probably, that you are a dignitary of your private nation. You can put on there non-federal identification, non-city, non-state, private, things of that nature. So any information that you can utilize to prove who you are, for your address, you could even put in there like rural-free delivery, like route, whatever your address is, like say 555. But, or if you're going to use your state, you can put just the state that you reside in if you want. You don't even have to put your state. But if you were, you put like Republic of Maine or Republic of New Hampshire and create your own identification on there. What also wouldn't hurt is if they allow you to upload pictures, put a scan of your thumbprint on there, and basically just reserve all of your rights so that everything that you need to say is already on the cards. Tell them that you're put on there. You're not contracting. You're doing, private travel identification. And if you have a UCC, put your UCC number on there. Okay. And use that for various purposes, we'll just say, because it's a unique identifier that you have registered on an international claim through them. All right. And we all know who owns the UCC. That'd be Unidroit. Vatican. So anyway, yeah. So now you've made your claim and you're using your James cash dash Lovett or of the family Lovett. Okay. And remember, it's yours. So I would put it in red. If you can, do it that way. If not, go with blue. But that's basically about it, guys. So you need to get away from using and doing what's known as alter ego and merging your strawman with your living being. Okay. As always, guys, that's about it. If you see anybody using any of these materials or my likeness in any kind of negative or nefarious ways, report them by using the little button up there, because we are not the S word. Okay. We are nationals of the United States, which is easily verifiable if people would actually just go and type in national of the United States or non-citizen national, look up the definitions of these things, or 8 USC 1101-22B. Says it straight out. Okay. So it means if you are born in any of the physical 50 states, or you're a naturalized person, you are in fact also a national. You have 2 different statuses. Okay. Bare minimum. So that's it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and put the thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys later. All the information about this is down below. Check out Black Site 32 for additional information, or the Wolfpack private area, which is available on the main YouTube page. Go there and click join to support your boy, the Wolf himself. So that's it. Go have fun. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Check out the merchandise down below. And if you see anything you like, well, pick it up. I'd appreciate it. Otherwise, take care. Get out of here and go do something fabulous. Go be fire today. Go get it done. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. So long. Farewell. Get the... Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Go take care of yourself, guys. Talk to you later.